Extra, welcome to Skydive Newport.
Hey, thanks.
So, first skydive?
Yeah.
What makes you want to jump out of an airplane?
Just wanna fly.
Yeah?
And it heights always.
1, 2, 3, 4, get my shoes and out the door. 5, I'm alive, 6, 7, 8, feeling great.
Well,
Gonna shine, life is
you're
good.
going to be flying today. Anybody?
Excited.
Good, excellent. Anybody you want to say hello to that's watching that couldn't be here today?
Yes. So hey Sam, thanks for taking me
Alright, awesome. So we have a beautiful day here in Newport, Rhode Island. We're going to go to 10,000 feet, 2 miles up. Throw ourselves out of a working airplane, screaming towards the earth at 120 miles an hour. You ready for this? Alright, have a great skydive. Coming up like 5,000 feet, halfway there. How does it look outside?
awesome.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Any pre-jump thoughts? Anything you want to say before you go skydiving?
I'm just happy. That's it. I'm so happy right now.
Alright. Well, we're going to have a good time. In a few minutes, we're going to start getting ready. The door is going to be opening, and we're going to be jumping over Newport, Rhode Island. We might have a great time, okay?
Wow.
Have fun. We'll see you out there. Pretty cool, or what?
Yeah.
What'd you think when we left the airplane?
It was awesome. Mind-blowing. Unbelievable.
Congratulations on your first skydive. You did absolutely excellent.
Wow.
Is there any feeling like that in the world?
Oh, I'm still flying.
You're flying like a bird.
What did you make me miss? I'm loving it. Man, this is awesome.
Awesome. Beautiful view in front of us, huh?
Yeah. Wow.
Excellent. Turn, we look right over here, okay? Here we go.
Take some time to maybe
I'm just so happy. I just cannot explain what I'm feeling right now.
I agree. You're so feeling like it, right?
Yeah, I'm flying.
You want to say hello to?
Everyone. Hello from here.
Living life.
I always wanted to jump up like that and I did it finally.
Hey, you never know, you might do it again too, right?
Yes, definitely.
Alright. Show you the beaches over here.
Wow. So
Pretty good, huh?
for the time you're here. And if you don't know where to start, then follow your
Hey,
heart.
take your goggles off.
Your
Take your your glasses off.
And run,
What'd you think?
run,
Super awesome.
Yeah?
Like,
learn from things,
So
things that have happened.
we opened the door. My pleasure. We opened the door. You put your feet out on that step. What was going through your mind?
Just make that choice today.
but I was feeling like just jump off.
Yeah.
That's it. And then
Cause
nothing would happen.
today
What was your favorite part? Leaving the plane, free fall, parachute?
Free fall and especially the parachute ride. It's like
Good deal. Congratulations on your first skydive. You did excellent. You rocked it. Awesome.
Oh yeah, professional.
Good landing, eh?
Yeah.
I can do it more. Once more. That was great. Awesome.
Nice job, man.